Hi friends, welcome to our live stream channel. This is Ariel, sales manager from Qingdao T&T Homewares, and I'm so glad to meet you here at the online cartoon fair this year. Today, I'm going to introduce a collection of Willow products with different shapes, size, functions to you. Okay, first, a set of Willow basket with lid. It's a set of 2 with a large one and a small one. Okay. It's also made of willow, painted white, and the lid connected with white pure leather. Okay. The liner is also removable. It provides multiple choices for you with different size. Let's check this size. Okay, for the large one, it measures 50, 30, and the height is about 30. For the small one, it measures 42, 27, and the height is about 25. Willow is very popular in most European countries, as it can be dyed with different colors. For this collection, we dyed white, but you can choose as honey brown or gray as you like. Okay.